We are at day 96 of our 100 days DevOps challenge by Code Cloud, and today our task is to create an EC2 instance using Terraform with the following requirements. The name of the instance should be data center EC2, and we have to use this AMI ID, which is the image, and I see it's Amazon Linux. Also the instance type should be T2 micro, and we also have to create a new RSA key, which is data center KP, and have to finally attach the default security group. Okay, so let's create the main.tf and variables.tf. So you can use output.tf. That's all. So in our main.tf we will add the resource block that will perform to create the resources, and in outputs we'd like to see the what let's say the EC2 public IP, also the security name, okay, and variables. So I will define the variables we need to use. So let's define the variables first. Variable okay, EC2 name should be default data center EC2. Okay. Then variable, let's try another approach. Okay, we don't need these things. We will use one value which is called prefix. So let's say we define the prefix, and this is default data center. That's all. And also we need the AMI ID, so variable let's copy this, and instance type variable T2.micro. Yes, that's all. Now, so we have to create a RSA key pair. So we can create source. So for this, Terraform have a resource. Let's search this RSA key Terraform. Okay, yes, this one. We'll create a RSA key, so we can use this section. Okay, so what is this? TLS private key. So KP, then algorithm RSA bits 30720. Okay, yeah, that's all. So we need anything here? I don't think so. We have to give the name as well. So the tags oh sorry. So this will create the key. Now we have to create the key pair inside the AWS. So we have, for this we have to use AWS resource block, which is AWS key pair. Let's search it. Search here AWS key pair, this one. Yes, correct. So let's give the name key pair, and key name should be bar dot prefix, then I have to use kp. Okay, yeah, that's all. And for the public key we'll use tls private key dot kp dot public key open SSH. This is required. How can we get this? If we look at here, public key open SSH, that's required for the authorized key formats. So we are correct. Key open SSH, that's fine. Now let's create the EC2 instance. AWS instance with name EC2. So we need the AMI, which is bar.ami id, key name, I forgot things easily, so let's find again. AWS instance, not here. This one. I think I'm fine. So we have to use key name. And from where we can get the key name? We can get from the key pair. So AWS key pair dot key pair dot key name. Okay, and instance type bar dot instance type. Tags would be the name, which is bar dot prefix hyphen EC2. That's all. Now let's in output generate some value. So output EC2 info value, say public IP AWS instance dot EC2 dot public IP. that's all. Now let's see how it works. Terraform init. It's downloading. Okay, now let's see Terraform plan if any errors or not. That's good. So 3 disks will be add and one will be the output, which is the public IP of the VM. So let's run the apply command. We did not add the security option because AWS will attach the default security group itself. So let's see. You see the VPC security group ID. That's all. Now let's run the check command. It should pass. Let's see. Yes, we're done.